Have you ever felt that your hard work isn't being fully recognized in your paycheck? Asking for a raise can feel intimidating, but it's a crucial step in advancing your career and ensuring you're compensated fairly. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to confidently and effectively ask for a raise. From preparation to follow-up, you'll learn practical strategies to help you navigate this important conversation with your employer. Let's get started on your journey to earning what you truly deserve. Before you even think about scheduling a meeting with your boss, it's important to understand your market value. Research what others in your role and industry are earning. Use online salary tools, industry reports, and even discreet conversations with peers to gather data. Knowing your worth not only boosts your confidence, but also provides a solid foundation for your request. When you're equipped with facts and figures, you can make a compelling case for why you deserve a raise. Take an honest look at your recent work. Have you taken on new responsibilities, exceeded targets, or contributed to major projects? Document your achievements and be specific. Quantify your impact wherever possible. Did you increase sales, improve efficiency, or help the team succeed? This self-assessment not only prepares you for the conversation, but also helps you see your own growth and value within the company. Choosing the right time to ask for a raise can make a big difference. Ideally, time your request after a successful project, during performance reviews, or when the company is doing well financially. Avoid periods of company stress or budget cuts. Being mindful of timing shows your awareness of the bigger picture and increases your chances of a positive response. Preparation is key. Gather all your supporting documents, performance reviews, emails, praising your work, and a list of your accomplishments. Organize your thoughts and practice what you want to say. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll feel during the conversation. Remember, this is your opportunity to present a clear, fact-based case for why you deserve a raise. It's important to have a specific number in mind when you ask for a raise. Base your request on your research and performance, but also be realistic. Consider the company's financial situation and typical raise percentages in your industry. Setting a clear, reasonable goal shows that you've done your homework and are serious about your request. Rehearse what you want to say before the actual meeting. Practice with a friend, family member, or even in front of a mirror. Focus on being clear, concise, and confident. Anticipate possible questions or objections and prepare your responses. Practicing helps you refine your message and reduces nerves when it's time for the real conversation. Don't just spring your request on your boss. Instead, schedule a formal meeting to discuss your compensation. This shows professionalism and gives both you and your manager time to prepare. Send a polite email or message requesting a meeting to discuss your role and growth within the company. During the meeting, maintain a professional demeanor. Stay calm, polite, and focused on your achievements and value to the company. Avoid making comparisons with colleagues or expressing frustration. A positive, respectful attitude sets the right tone and increases your chances of a constructive conversation. When it's time to make your request, be direct and clear. Explain your achievements, the value you bring, and the research you've done on market salaries. State the specific raise you're seeking and back it up with your evidence. Being straightforward helps avoid confusion and shows you're serious about your request. Frame your request in a positive way. Instead of focusing on what you lack, highlight your contributions and enthusiasm for your role. Express appreciation for the opportunities you've had and your desire to continue growing with the company. Positive language fosters goodwill and makes your request more compelling. After presenting your case, give your manager a chance to respond. Listen carefully to their feedback and concerns. Active listening shows respect and helps you understand their perspective. It also allows you to address any objections or questions they may have. If your manager raises concerns or objections, stay calm and address them professionally. Be prepared to discuss your performance, the company's budget, or other factors. Responding thoughtfully shows maturity and keeps the conversation productive. Sometimes, your manager may not agree to your initial request, but might offer a compromise. Be open to negotiation and consider other forms of compensation, such as bonuses, extra vacation days, or flexible work arrangements. Flexibility can help you reach a mutually beneficial agreement. If your request is denied, remain professional and composed. Ask for feedback on what you can improve and when it might be appropriate to revisit the conversation. Showing maturity in the face of disappointment leaves a positive impression and keeps the door open for future opportunities. After your meeting, send a follow-up email thanking your manager for their time and summarizing the key points discussed. This reinforces your professionalism and ensures there's a record of your conversation. It also gives you an opportunity to reiterate your commitment to the company. Keep a record of your achievements and feedback after your raise discussion. Tracking your progress helps you prepare for future conversations and demonstrates your ongoing value to the company. It also keeps you motivated to continue excelling in your role. If you didn't get the raise this time, don't be discouraged. Continue to take on new challenges, exceed expectations, and document your successes. Building your case over time strengthens your position for the next opportunity to ask for a raise. Invest in your own growth by seeking out training, certifications, or new skills. Professional development not only increases your value to the company, but also gives you more leverage in future salary discussions. Show your commitment to continuous improvement. Build relationships within your company by networking with colleagues and leaders. A strong internal network can provide support, mentorship, and even advocacy when it comes time to discuss your compensation. Being well-connected helps you stay informed about opportunities and company priorities. Familiarize yourself with your company's policies on raises and promotions. Some organizations have specific timelines or criteria for salary increases. Understanding these guidelines helps you time your request appropriately and ensures you're following the correct procedures. Before entering the conversation, consider your alternatives if your request is denied. Are you willing to accept other benefits? Or would you consider looking for opportunities elsewhere? Knowing your options helps you negotiate confidently and make informed decisions. Regardless of the outcome, maintain a positive attitude. Express gratitude for the consideration and continue to contribute your best work. Positivity not only benefits your own mindset, but also leaves a lasting impression on your employer. If you're consistently denied raises despite strong performance, it may be time to evaluate your long-term options. Consider whether the company aligns with your career, goals, and values. Sometimes, seeking new opportunities is the best way to achieve the compensation you deserve. If your efforts to secure a raise are repeatedly unsuccessful, it may be time to move on. Prioritize your own growth and financial well-being. Sometimes, changing jobs is the most effective way to increase your salary and advance your career. Every company has its own process for approving raises. Some require multiple levels of approval, while others may need budget reviews. Understanding the process helps you set realistic expectations and navigate the system more effectively. Keep detailed records of your achievements, feedback, and all communications related to your raise request. Documentation provides evidence to support your case and protects your interests if there are any misunderstandings. Salary decisions can take time, especially in larger organizations. Be patient while your request is being considered. Following up politely after a reasonable period shows your continued interest without appearing pushy. Annual or semi-annual performance reviews are ideal times to discuss your compensation. Prepare thoroughly for these meetings and use them as an opportunity to highlight your achievements and make your case for a raise. Salary is just one part of your total compensation. Consider benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, bonuses, and other perks. Understanding the full package helps you evaluate offers and negotiate more effectively. Keep up to date with trends in your industry and region. Salary expectations can change due to economic shifts, demand for skills, or changes in the job market. Staying informed ensures your request is reasonable and competitive. Confidence is key when asking for a raise, but avoid coming across as arrogant. Present your case assertively, but remain humble and open to feedback. Confidence paired with humility creates a positive impression. While it's important to know your worth, avoid giving ultimatums like threatening to quit if you don't get a raise. Such tactics can damage relationships and backfire. Focus on building a constructive dialogue instead. Go into the conversation prepared for any outcome. Whether you get the raise, a partial increase, or a refusal, have a plan for your next steps. Being prepared helps you respond professionally and keep moving forward. Don't wait for annual reviews to seek feedback. Regularly ask your manager for input on your performance and areas for improvement. Ongoing feedback helps you grow and positions you well for future raise discussions. Demonstrate leadership qualities, even if you're not in a management role. Take initiative, help others, and contribute to team success. Leadership skills make you more valuable and strengthen your case for a raise. If your financial situation has changed or you have new responsibilities, be honest with your manager. Transparency builds trust and helps your employer understand your perspective. Honesty, paired with professionalism, can strengthen your case. It's natural to feel nervous or emotional when discussing money, but try to keep your emotions in check. Stay focused on facts and your achievements. A calm, rational approach is more likely to lead to a positive outcome. Persistence pays off. If you don't succeed the first time, keep working hard and continue to demonstrate your value. Revisit the conversation at an appropriate time. Persistence, combined with professionalism, often leads to success. Whether you get the raise or not, take time to celebrate your achievements and growth. Recognizing your own progress keeps you motivated and confident for future challenges. Every step forward is a win. Share your experiences and support colleagues who are also seeking raises. A supportive work environment benefits everyone and can lead to broader positive changes in company culture. Continuous learning is key to career growth. Stay curious, seek new knowledge, and adapt to changes in your field. Lifelong learning makes you more valuable and prepares you for future opportunities. While striving for a raise, don't neglect your well-being. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance ensures you stay energized, focused, and ready to perform at your best. Balance is essential for long-term success. After the process, take time to reflect on what went well and what could be improved. Use these insights to plan your next steps, whether it's preparing for another raise discussion or setting new career goals. Asking for a raise is a skill that can be learned and refined. With preparation, confidence, and professionalism, you can advocate for yourself and achieve the compensation you deserve. Remember, your value is not just in your work, but also in your willingness to stand up for yourself. Good luck on your journey to a more rewarding career.